right, well, back to that weather alert, and while not in the direct path of Debby, a high wind warning is in effect right now for most of the Jersey Shore.
Yeah, with grounds already soaked from rain earlier this week, shore communities could see winds of up to 50 miles an hour. Pix 11's Jim Vassell has the latest from Long Branch.
Yeah, it's not a smart idea to be out there on the water today.
The boating life can be fun, but it comes with a lot of responsibility. Anthony Falzone, who works at Navesink Marina in Seabright, knows this, especially when a gale warning is issued. Thanks to Debby, gusts could near 50 miles an hour.
We got to make sure people secure their boats with a little bit more sense of urgency.
Gale warnings are not uncommon, but you never know what a storm may bring. That's why Falzone says boat owners will be coming down to batten down their vessels.
You should be checking your lines, double tie, add an extra dock line, some extra fenders.
Speaking of tying things down, some beachgoers in Long Branch chased after their belongings Friday as they tried to enjoy some sun. The key word being tried.
The sand is hitting our eyes and all that. It's not comfortable.
Still, any day at the beach is a good day for Eli Mack and Danny J from Brooklyn.
We're going to sit right here on the board, on the boardwalk and hang out. It's nice.
We don't let the storm stop us. We like to come to the beach and enjoy the fun.
Meanwhile, while the rain isn't the area's biggest threat, moisture from earlier this week could play a role in how Long Branch weathers Debby.
The last storm that we had on Tuesday, we got a lot of rain, so the ground is saturated. So we are getting some trees that are down, and with that causes power outages.
The Long Branch Office of Emergency Management says it has crews and chainsaws on standby, even high water vehicles, in the off chance they need them.
We're ready to go for whatever Mother Nature throws at us.
In Long Branch, Jim Vassell, Pix 11 News.